Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another review. By seeing the title and thumbnail you have already known, and that's why probably you are here. But today we are going to talk about the Schwarzkopf Q10 Bonacure Micellar Shampoo. Now I have been using this shampoo for a while and I don't know if it is visible or not. I have used quite a chunk of it. I think I am more than halfway done with this product because right now it is feeling really lightweight and I have a lot of things to share with you about this product. So if you're interested on knowing my viewpoint about this baby right here, then please continue watching. Starting off with the basic things, this product retails for 950 rupees for 250 ml, which is very expensive. Other ranges from this Bonacure variant retails for 900 rupees, so you have to pay 50 rupees extra for this particular shampoo. So what's special about it? Let's discuss about that. The texture of this product is extremely thick, rich, luxurious, you guys. I have actually transferred a little bit of shampoo just to show you the texture of this product. Now this is a glass bottle and I have poured a little bit just to show you the texture of this product. As you guys can see, it's very thick in nature and the shampoo is beige in color. It's not transparent or gel consistency or not purely white. So this one is very different from other shampoos in terms of colors, textures and everything. This is a shampoo especially formulated for fragile and mature hair. Sugar 10 sides work within the Q10 Plus Time Restore Micellar Shampoo to gently cleanse the hair and scalp, while polymers provide intense nourishment to the inner structure and the surface of each strand. The result is hair that is tamed, more manageable and has regained its youthful luster. Ideal for mature hair that is weak and lifeless, this revitalizing formula will improve both strength and elasticity. So this is basically an anti-aging shampoo for your hair, which is very interesting. For this shampoo, I have never really used an anti-aging shampoo as such. When I used it for the first time, I have seen very noticeable change on my hair. For reference, my hair texture is extremely frizzy, you guys, and this is wavy in nature. Right now, I don't have any smoothing. I have done a chemical treatment in the August month of 2021. So right now, all the smoothing and chemical treatment has vanished into the hair. So it doesn't really matter what I had done at that point of time. Right now, because of all the chemicals and hair colors that I have put on my hair has become extremely frizzy and fragile as well. I have the extreme amount of breakage, but also some new hair is growing over on my this area, on my middle section. So I have a lot of baby hair right here, but in here I have a lot of breakage. So when I used it for the first time, I felt like my baby hair sort of like tamed down without any blow dry. This is a very noticeable change for any hair because I feel like most of us have baby hairs any way or the other. Maybe it's new hair or maybe it's the baby hair that you have got from your breakage. If you can purchase the mask with the shampoo alongside, that will give you a very effective benefit. For the longer run, the after effect of this shampoo will stay for only 2 days and not more than that. You have to reapply the shampoo in 2 to 3 days. I will say in 2 days, but 2 days becomes very intimidating. I personally don't approach myself to go to the washroom and spend those 2 hours on my hair, do the shampoo in every 2 days. So I do shampoo in 3 to 5 days maximum. After 2 days, it will become completely like your hair again. So definitely you need to reapply the shampoo in every 2 days for the best result if you want to see the result on your hair for a very long time. I love this shampoo just because it does not strip down my scalp. Now my scalp is extremely dry for reference, so I accumulate a lot of dandruff no matter what. To prolong the life cycle of my wet shampoo process, I use dry shampoos very often, and whenever I go to washroom with this baby right here to remove the dry shampoo from my scalp, it effectively removes all of them, which I personally really like. A lot of shampoos, including the keratin smooth shampoo, doesn't help to remove the dry shampoo, but this one really does. It has a very mild fragrance, you guys. It's not overpowering, and post wash the hair feels really bouncy and especially very soft. I always want to run my finger through my hair after using this shampoo and it's just so tempting. It feels so good. Actually, I'm doing this because I have applied it today. It makes your hair look very shiny. I would definitely say this is much more better than the anti-dandruff range from Schwarzkopf because I have tried that and that did not really help me to remove my dandruff. However, this one really helps to remove your dandruff and it's a very good option for dry hair in specific. It's also gonna be the savior for chemically treated hairs or if you have colored hairs. It's not meant to hold your color for the longer run, okay? Because after coloring, your hair becomes extremely frizzy after a certain amount of time and this will definitely give a life back to them. It's gonna give you a very temporary solution. It's not gonna give you a very long-term solution. I'm going back to this product every single day whenever I'm doing my shampoo. I'm not using any other shampoo and I did not see a much difference for the longer term. I won't really recommend recommend you the mask because I have tried the mask and somehow I did not like that. That's why I'm not showing even the mask with you guys. I will leave some links of the conditioner which I really like in the description box below. I was using 3 to 4 different conditioners with this product and that gave me a very effective result. So I'm not really recommending the mask from the same range, but this shampoo is a really good one. Now the shelf life of this product is 2 years only. I purchased this in March month. I got the product which has been manufactured in 2020. It was already nearing its expiry date and I don't know why I got this. I bought this from Amazon and I genuinely don't know why I got this old product. They should have given me at least a product which has been manufactured in 2021 and I did not even get any discount, which sucks. I am gonna say purchase it from Nykaa because whenever I purchased other shampoos from Nykaa, I have never experienced this. So this was my complete review about this Bonacure Q10 Plus Time Restore Shampoo. I will put all the necessary links in the description box below. As I have mentioned, I will put some reference of conditioners and masks on the description box, so do check them out if you want to purchase very affordable conditioner. I also have one. I will put the link of that as well, so you can pair this product with those products for a better result. You know, there is no ending line of getting a better result day by day. You can't expect all the things under the same roof. Shampoo is not enough. Obviously you need to pair it with some other conditioners as well. I will keep the links of some affordable conditioners that I genuinely like and I hope you will like that too. So with that, it's time to sign off. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon, it's free. Help me to grow, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care. Bye.